female reproductive system, they are located in abdominal cavity. Or इस abdominal cavity में भी rather it is called cavity. This is the lower abdominal region where the female reproductive system is located. This system includes the parts, and they are one pair fallopian tube or oviduct, one pair ovary, one uterus, one vagina, glands. We will also study glands like Bartholin gland, mammary gland, and external genitalia. This female reproductive system is located in the pelvic cavity, and its structure is something like this. This is an inverted pear-shaped. This is an inverted pear-shaped uterus. The anterior part is wide and the lower part is narrow. This is ovary. This part is uterus. Or it is also called womb. This is ovary, and this part is called fallopian tube. This part is infundibulum. This part is ampulla. This is isthmus. And this part is called cornua. Cornua is the junction where this fallopian tube meets with the uterus. So this part is called cornua, and the part which enters inside this uterus, the part of the fallopian tube entering into the uterine cavity is called intramural part. So suppose this is the part, this is the part and it is entering inside this cavity. This part is called intramural part. This is called intramural part. This lower part of the uterus is called cervix. This part is called cervix, lower part of uterus. So this is a canal-like structure. This is a canal-like structure, and this is called cervical canal. This is called cervical canal. Cervical canal. This cervix having two openings. One opening is towards the uterus, and the next opening, suppose this is the cervical canal, so one opening is facing the vagina and one opening is facing the uterus. So there is two opening, and this towards the uterus, this is called external OS. OS stands for orifice or opening, and this part is called vagina, where the perforated or diaphragm centrally perforated membrane is present, and this is called hymen. It is seen in virgin female. Nowadays, this is not a true indicator of virginity because girls are involved in so many co-curricular activities like the cycling, sports, horse riding. So at that time, it may get ruptured. This centrally perforated hymen, and here is opening, and this is called vaginal opening or vulva. The opening facing this vagina is called internal OS. This vagina is lined with non-keratinized. This part is lined with non-keratinized stratified epithelium. This part of the infundibulum showing this finger-like projection is called fimbri. This part here, it is showing a finger-like projection, and this part is called fimbri. This part is called fimbri. This is called fimbri. This is called fimbri. So, ये finger-like projections of this infundibulum is called fimbri, and this fimbri having a opening like this. This is called ostium. Fimbri having opening, and it is called ostium. When the secondary oocyte is released here, some liquor folliculi, I will discuss it in my next session. So when this secondary oocyte is released, and this process is called ovulation, and this egg is called coelomic egg. In this liquor folliculi, this fimbri beats like this, and it attracts this coelomic egg inside this fallopian tube. This fallopian tube having its inner lining ciliated, they are muscular, and so there is contraction and beating of the cilia helps to move this secondary oocyte towards this ampulla, and ampulla is the widest part of this fallopian tube where the fertilization takes place. तो suppose कि this secondary oocyte is here now and this is called ampullary isthmus junction. This is called ampullary isthmus junction where the fertilization takes place. This question has been asked many times. Where this fertilization takes place? So you have to go with this option, ampullary isthmus junction. If there is only ampulla, then you have to go with this ampulla. So ampullary isthmus junction पे ही fertilization takes place. And this secondary oocyte, after ovulation, where it is? It is in the peritoneal cavity. And that's why it is called coelomic egg. This ovary is fixed here by the suspensory ligaments, and visceral organs are fixed by these ligaments. This ovary is fixed here by the suspensory ligaments, and this is mesovarium. Mesentery means thin mucous membrane, they are transparent, and this is called broad ligament. This is called broad ligament. Let me draw it here. This part is called broad ligament. Broad ligament attaches ovary to the dorsal abdominal wall. While this ligament which attaches this ovary to the wall of the uterus is called ovarian ligament. This is called ovarian ligament. This is called ovarian ligament. The wall of the uterus having, अगर हम लोग इसकी हिस्टोलॉजी की बात करें तो हिस्टोलॉजी में स्टडी ऑफ टिश्यू इज कॉल्ड हिस्टोलॉजी. जो आउटर है सीरोसा, दिस इज कॉल्ड सीरोसा एंड दिस इज विसरल पेरिटोनियम. तो विसरल ऑर्गन को कवर करने के लिए दिस मेम्ब्रेन सीरोसा, एंड सीरोसा इज विसरल पेरिटोनियम, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड, एंड दिस इज आउटर, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड पेरीमेट्रियम. Second one is the muscular layer. Muscular layer it is made up of smooth muscles, and this is middle coat. This is middle layer, and this is called myometrium. This myometrium helps during parturition. While the inner layer is called muscular and the inner layer is highly vascular and glandular, called endometrium. Where the implantation takes place. So this is the histology of the fallopian tube and uterus. आपको याद क्या रखना है कि fallopian tube और यूट्रस में सिरोसा आउटर जो कि प्रोटेक्टिव है, पेरिमेट्रियम जो है ये कैसे नेचर के हैं, दे आर प्रोटेक्टिव, they are protective in nature, and muscular is middle layer, myometrium helps during parturition, and inner layer is highly vascular and glandular. This is the arrangement of the layer in the fallopian tube and uterus. साथ ही साथ जो हम लोग देखेंगे ये जो आउटर है, जो सिरोसा और विसरल पेरिटोनियम, मस्कुलर और इनर लेयर, ये यूट्रस में हम लोग देखेंगे कि वहां पे जो एपिथेलियम है, सिलिएटेड कोलुनार एपिथेलियम हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था, ये सिलिएटेड कोलुनार एपिथेलियम जो है ये बीट करके हेल्प कर रहे हैं सेकेंडरी साइड को मूव कराने में। दूसरी बात ये कि वहां पे सेक्रेटरी सेल्स भी होते हैं, एंड दे सीक्रेट न्यूट्रिटिव सब्सटेंसेस टू गिव न्यूट्रिशन और प्रोटेक्शन टू द सेकेंडरी साइड, ये याद रखना है। और साथ ही साथ थोड़ा आई होप कि आपको ये सब कुछ क्लियर होगा। तो बार बार आप वीडियो को देखें और इफ एनी डाउट आप इसको ग्रुप में डालिए। थैंक यू सो मच।